My name is Gordon Richards. I'm the engineering manager for Beaumont Manufacturing and Distribution. We manufacture valves and controls for the oil and gas industry. The company started in 2016. I was actually the first employee and started with designs, and then we got into manufacturing after that. I always use Solidworks. I had used it in previous jobs and was very familiar with it. Everything from modeling, drawings, assemblies, a little bit of CFD here and there. I really like the design side. I wear a lot of hats, because we're a small company. I'm out there doing shop support, and I do some QC stuff and model something up, put it all together. So we provide a product, and normally we'll identify something in the industry that, hey, we want to design something similar to this or make it a little better or whatever we want to do, and then we'll start designing from there. So I'll build an assembly model just to make sure everything fits together right and doesn't interfere and all that. And then I can also use the assembly model then to run my flow analysis. I had a little brush with Creo. It's a lot more difficult to use. It seems like you had to take 10 clicks to do something that SolidWorks would do in one. It was kind of the obvious choice just based on experience and the ease of use. I use a lot of keyboard and mouse gestures. Sketch tools are good. A lot of our parts are actually symmetrical, so I use revolves all the time. So I can make a 3D model, and then from that I can take it and make a drawing. I can make an assembly of, the multiple models, put them into an assembly model, and I can make a drawing of that as well, generate a bill of materials and so forth. I'd say just ease of use. It just seems like it's very intuitive and user-friendly. Again, compared to my brush with the other competitor, it just seems like it's a lot easier to use.